Rather wet there, and also lots of talk of Storm Doris. Let's get the weather now with Holly Green.
Good afternoon. We've got some very windy conditions potentially over the next couple of days. Now, this morning started rather grey, outbreaks of rain around, but the good news is that was associated with the weather front. That's been nipping its way eastwards. Something a bit brighter for a time this afternoon, although this next weather front pushes in come this evening. And then for tomorrow, this low pressure approaches, so a deep area bringing some windy conditions, some wet conditions as well. And then for Friday, another one pushes in, and the difficulty about this one is there is a lot of uncertainty still about the exact track of this low, and that means uncertainty about the exact wind strengths. But nonetheless, the potential for a very windy picture, gusts possibly 60 or 70 miles an hour, say. So we have got a Met Office yellow warning of wind in force for Friday. Now, this has been the picture so far. We've had this area of rain pushing its way through. Something a bit brighter now trying to come in from the west, so hopefully a few sunny spells on the cards through the afternoon. But you can see another band of wet weather starting to move in from the west, and it is mild, highs of 10 or 11 degrees. This evening then, a bit of rain for a time. It's fairly patchy. Starry skies, I think, for a while, but then through the early hours, further outbreaks of rain start to spill in, and the winds are strengthening all the while as well, but it is another mild night. So into tomorrow morning, I think it will be quite wet. Some lively bursts of rain perhaps initially. That tends to clear through. The rain turns patchier into the afternoon, even a bit of brightness to be had. But it is a windy day with a risk of coastal gales. But it's for Friday that we could see the real strongest of the winds. This potential for gusts of 60 or 70 miles an hour. But as I say, a lot of uncertainty about the detail. So it is worth just staying tuned to the forecast.
Absolutely. Well, that's all from us this lunchtime. We're back